So hi there, welcome to my Google Colab, the one of the best platform. I prefer it a lot. If you are a beginner or a fresher, you can use it. So today I'm going to discuss what is Pandas basically. So Pandas is a popular Python library is generally used for working with data. Here you can see if you want to work with the data, you need to know a bit something about pandas. Basically, it helps you to store the data, clean the data, analyze the data, and visualize the data easily. So, as you think, we can get an example for Excel of Python, but much more powerful. Pandas much more powerful between both of them. So here, firstly, I'm going to import some libraries. Import pandas spd. Yes. So here I want to give you a bit knowledge about pandas. Pandas have two combinations. Generally, pandas have two combinations. The first one is a series and the second one is a data frame. The series and the data frame. We will mix both of them, get a second libraries of Python which is pandas. So the first one is series and the second one is data frame. So basically, series is a longitudinal combination of pandas. So basically, series is a longitudinal combination of pandas, and generally, what is series? So series is a single column of Excel for Python. So generally series is a single column of Excel for Python, and if I want to do it, we need to know series with list. So here let's move further and understand it with the help of implementations, how it will work and what is it. So basically, series series from list. I want to make a list with the help of series. Suppose name, I'm giving here some names. Satyam, Shashank, Rohan, and Ajay as well. So according to my command, I will use here pandas libraries, pandas dot series function and name. Let's connect quickly. What's the problem? Why is it not ready? Here you can see, oh, here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shivam, Satyam, Sasank, Rohan, Ajay. So after this, there is a one specialty of series. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are my indexing values, and Shivam, Satyam, Sasank, Rohan, Ajay. The list, this is a my data type. It means series will work with the help of two combinations. The first one is the indexing and the second one is a data. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are my indexing values, and Shivam, Satyam, Sasank, Rohan, Ajay, these all are my data types value. It means data types The value of data type is particular to the indexing. So this is a very big specialty of series. Let's move further. I want to take example of marks 20, 30, 40, 50, 70. We did series marks here same as that, but data types in 64. It means in the case of series, okay, without giving us command, we will get automatically data types. That is also one specialty of, suppose we are giving according to string, we get object, according to integer, we get data integer 64. Let's get one more example. Subjects Hindi, English, maths, science, computer, PD, Cs. I want marks with subjects. Here you can see these all my indexing value, data types particular my indexing value, integer 6. Okay, so this is the basics of series. Let's move further. Series with tuple, it will work or not, let's check. %, you can see. In the case of series with tuple, it will work. Let's talk about set. Here is an error, type error. It means set type is unordered. You can see, yes, unordered. In the case of series, the tuple will give you a right command according to your code. In the case of series, the dictionary will give you a right command, but in the case of series, the set will give you unordered. The tuple and dictionary, they both are unordered in the case of series, but there is a set, it will give you unordered. So set will never be defined in the case of series combinations of pandas. So this all are the basics of series. I hope you prefer it. Thank you and have a nice day.